So how can you save the website or a web page on the iPhone as a app, right? So how do you save it as an application? So if you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. But make sure you go to that website through the Safari web browser, which is the built-in one. So then you open up any URL, any web page that you want, right? You make it load up. And then in order to save it as an app, click on the three dots next to the URL bar at the bottom or at the top of your screen. It depends on how you have it, but click on the three dots and select the share button. When you tap on share, another set of toggles and options are going to appear, but I want you to tap on the three dots for more. And this gives you the ability to add it to home screen. So there's the icon of a square with a little plus icon inside. And when you do this, you're going to get to a page where you change the title of the bookmark or app. But the open as web app toggle is the most important thing. You have to make sure it is selected and green, that it's enabled here, because this is the difference between saving a website shortcut, which opens up through Safari like a bookmark, or saving a standalone web app, right? So make sure that it's turned on, then add it to the home screen. And then when you open up that button or that icon, and it doesn't go through Safari, but it opens like a standalone, a separate web app window. So yeah, this is most likely the thing that you wanted to achieve. Now let me know in the comments below if you made it work. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.